Okay, level 4s are computing a probability when the event and or sample spaces are not given or obvious. So in level 4s, I like to make my own Venn diagrams. I just think I'm a visual person, so I just like to see it happen. So in number 9, it says a veterinarian surveys 26 of his patrons. He discovers that 14 have dogs, 10 have cats, and 5 have fish. 4 have dogs and cats, 3 have dogs and fish, and 2 have a cat and a fish. If one has all 3 kinds of pets, what's the probability that the veterinarian will choose a patron who just has a dog? Okay, and then it says some of them do not have a dog, cat, or fish. So when we make our Venn diagram, it might not necessarily add up to 26. Some of his clients, his patrons, don't have any pets. So, okay, I'm going to draw 3 circles. This is going to be dogs, cats, and fish. And I will always work from the inside, one that has all 3, to the outside. So in the middle, I have 1. 1 has all 3 kinds of pets, so I did that part. Now I have 2 that have a cat and a fish. Now again, it doesn't say only a cat and a fish. So cat and a fish have 2 right here. But be careful, then that says I have 3 cats and fish. I only have 2 people that have a cat and a fish. Okay, 3 have a dog and a fish. So if 3 have a dog and a fish in this loop here, that has to total 3. So I just need a 2 right there. And then 4 have a dog and a cat. So in this loop, between dogs and cats, that's got a total 4. So I need a 3 that only have a dog and a cat. Okay, and then working all the way to the outside. It says 5 have a fish. So in this fish circle, I need this to total 5. So I already have 4 in the 2, the 1, and the 1, that's 4. So I just need 1 person that only has a fish. And then let's go in the cat circle. So in the cat circle, I have 10 people that have cats. Well, I already have 5 with the 3, the 1, and the 1, so I just need 5 more people that only have cats. And last but not least, 14 people have dogs. So if I have 2, 1, and 3, that's going to give me 6. I have 8 people who only have a dog. Okay, and then this 26 people were surveyed, so that means if I add all these up, let's see how many that is. So 8 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that means 21 people have pets. So that means 5 people have none. So we kind of put those on the outside. So we put a 5 here and we draw a box around it. So everything on the inside of the circles, that's what people have. The 5 on the outside just means that people don't have a dog, cat, or fish. Okay, now we can answer the question. It says, what is the probability that a veterinarian will choose a patron who just has a dog or only has a dog? So again, we're looking at just this section that doesn't overlap in the dog area, and that's going to be 8. And if he surveys a total of 26 patrons, it's going to be out of 26. And when you reduce that, it's going to be 4 out of 13. Okay, so level 4 is you're drawing your own Venn diagrams and filling in the spaces.